Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you an awesome new mod for Family Farm Adventure that works on both Android and iOS. Make sure you stick around till the end because this mod menu has some really cool features you don't want to miss. First off, to use this mod, you'll need the latest version of Family Farm Adventure installed on your device. Once you have it, just tap the gear icon to open the mod menu. The main highlight here is unlimited gems. Yep, endless gems to boost your gameplay. But that's not all. There are several other handy options in the menu to tweak your game experience. If you're curious where to get the Family Farm Adventure mod, check the comments section below where I've shared the exact place you can find it. It's super easy to follow. Now, if you try out the mod and it works for you, please drop a comment and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more mods and tips. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, you can grab this mod anytime at ogappbox.com. Catch you in the next video.